Welcome, in front of me I have HOMTOM S9 Plus, and today I'll show you the best features and the best options that you can find in this camera smartphone. So you have to open your camera, and in the first we are going to start from the settings, so tap on the left bottom corner and switch to the camera mode, and here we can activate the anti-shake mode. So for sure, let's enable this one, and basically when you hold your phone it will be more stabilized when you activate this option. We can also change here the capture number of burst shot from 40 to 99. So just take a look. When you click and hold the shutter button right here, you can take a lot of photos. As you can see, we take 56 pictures in a very short time period. Here we can also change really quickly quality of your pictures. Of course, I set it up with 60 megapixels. I mean 16, but you have to check it if in your case it's also on the 16, because it's the highest resolution and we will get the best quality of the photos. When we go to the camera, we can also enable electric image stabilization. So the same like in the photo mode, we will get the better stabilization when we take videos. And also we can quickly increase quality of our videos by choosing the highest resolution. And when you go back right here, you can also enable beauty mode. By using this switcher you can get more smooth videos, and we can also make the picture in the picture. So when you tap on the left upper corner, just take a look, the picture mode is activated, and right now as you can see I'm here in front of the camera and we can make the picture in the picture. So for example, I'm going to put here AirPods case. As you can see, the photo was taken. Let's open it by gallery, and as you can see, there it is. So you can test it, and let's go back to our camera, and also we can here activate the flashlight, but let's switch to the normal mode. Okay, I want to get rid of that picture-in-picture mode. Let's stop this one. Okay, I just wonder how we can get rid of that, but to be honest, I don't know. Let's close it. Okay, I think right now it will be fine. Yeah, right now it's fine. And the last option, very useful, that is very common and know from every device, the HDR. So when you take the HDR, we'll get better high dynamic range on the photos, but of course you have to remember that you cannot move your smartphone because it takes more time to get that photo. And basically that's all the best things that you can find in the smartphone camera. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.